Let's make some chicken wings in the air fryer. I've taken 1 kg of chicken niblets here. You can use chicken wings as well. We'll start with the marinade first. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of thick Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I just eyeball these, so it's like a quarter of onion, half of a pepper. You can use the same color pepper. I just had red and green, so I just use quarters of both. 2 tablespoons full of freshly minced garlic, chopped coriander. Everything is gonna go in. Make sure everything is really finely chopped. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. If you don't have these, use any dry herb of your choice. Tablespoon of corn flour, teaspoon of coriander powder, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything really well. That's your marinade. Pour the marinade over the chicken niblets. Coat the niblets really well. I would recommend that you marinate these chicken niblets for at least half an hour or longer if you can, because we've added a lot of freshly chopped ingredients in here, so you want the flavors to go inside the chicken. That's it. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Chicken has been marinating in the fridge for almost 2 hours, and the wings, the masala, it already smells so good. Place all the niblets in the air fryer. So I've placed all the niblets in here. These are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes and I'm gonna flip the wings now. Flip the wings. Now these are gonna go back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes. Wings are ready.